What's going on, guys? I am here at Hall Ridge and I'm meeting up with Lucas, and he got here a little earlier than I could and he already found a northern water snake. He's found so many more snakes. I still haven't got my first snake of the year, so hopefully today is the day. Found him. He's just been sitting there waiting. He thinks I'm just a normal hiker. He looks all depressed. He just found a snake. You'd think he'd be happy. You really would. I wonder how long it's going to... There he is.
Well, it's not alive, but this was a box turtle at some point.
No? That was a musk.
Oh, wait. Yeah, it was a musk.
Huh. Bo, we got another thing to go with your
collection.
Skull. We'll throw that in the backpack, and then I guarantee you right along those rocks right there.
Let's check them.
Oh, it's going to be a good day. Alright, so if you guys are wondering what a snake trail looks like, right there, you see that line drawn in there? That would be the snake trail, and we're guessing that's where the northern is that Lucas found is already back out there, and that was the trail that he left, because that's fresh.
That really is. That's probably what we've been hearing in the woods.
Probably. A little deer struggling in the mud. He's like, no one told me it was like this. This is BS, guys. Where'd you go? If I die, I'm telling Mom. Lucas hasn't been out here, so I'm enjoying his little awe and wonderment about everything like this log I just showed him. It's kind of like that first time we met up at Imes, and I'm like, oh my God, and you're just like, yeah. The roles have changed. The tables have turned. Just set up the camera, it's fine.
No.
I can't get this. One. Ow! Horns? Yeah, the one. The one single horn. You nature. I'm bleeding. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah, that ain't coming out.
I don't feel so bad for not being able to lift it out. That's good. So you got Ringneck Road. Hopefully we can call this Northern Alley.
Yeah. North Shore.
Yeah, North Shore. There you go. So this spot right here is ideal because he found that northern over there. And right up in here we have all these rocks, laying on rocks. Just all sorts of stuff. So the chances, you know what I didn't realize?
Huh.
Probably look for tracks coming up here out of the water.
That would probably help.
That'd probably help a lot, yeah. We're new to this herping thing, so. So, one of the theories come up with is that since it's the nicest day of the year so far, they could all be out in the water. The other one is we're seeing a lot of fresh raccoon tracks everywhere, which is why we're seeing a lot of these clamshells busted up, opened up, and ooh, a golf ball. Those raccoons could be feeding on the snakes.
On all large precious snakes.
Well, we're finding the clams like crazy. So Lucas accidentally stepped on a live one, but it's really cool because I've never seen the inside of one of these. So it's almost like a scallop
in fresh water.
In fresh water, which is crazy.
Hey, in the comments, tell us if zebra mussels are edible.
Yeah, let us know if zebra mussels are edible. Because, wow.
You could get a good dinner out here.
Yeah, but we could get you a good catch and cook going on right there.
Maybe that's a little boar skull?
We found a dragon. Look at that. That's a dragon skull.
Bo's got 2 souvenirs now. It's a bird.
I like dragon better. Dragon's a lot cooler. There's a bird. That's cool.
Huh. But that's another skull. That looks nothing like this.
Maybe the dragon and the bird got into a fight over air territory.
Maybe.
I finally caught a snake. And it's a queen. Let me see this guy.
Here you go, man. Look at his belly.
I know. That's your lifer queen, right?
No, I've caught a ton of queens.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. Oh, thank God.
Right. Finally got queen snake. These guys. Look at that. Let me get with
Look at that bright orange banding.
I'm trying to get to where the sun is.
Dude, that is
Look at that. Now these guys
only eat crawfish.
only eat crawdads.
No wonder.
After they molted, of course.
Yeah.
Sweet.
That is awesome, man.
Love these little guys. Yeah, I just lifted up that rock and I was like nothing, and then I looked over and he was all coiled up because he just shot out from under it. But you can see he just came out of hibernation.
That is.
He is all. Let's get him up here to where we can get some better.
Let's get him on the dock.
Let's get him on the dock. We'll get some good pictures of him and a little bit more footage, and I'll fill you guys in a little bit more about this guy. Actually, I'm probably gonna do a couple more clips with him on this camera and then pull out my phone and do the 4K and actually give you guys some good informational facts, some knowledge. I'm gonna drop some knowledge on you.
I literally found the water snake right there too.
Wow. Well, maybe we should be flipping some rocks here. These guys are absolutely amazing. Yeah, my cameras don't want to focus. I'm gonna go over to the 4K footage and I'll upload that video probably the next day after this one, so you guys can check that out.
Okay.
Alright, well, we took some pictures and I got that video shot in the 4K for you guys. Hard to do with the light the way it is right now.
How about we release him under that rock?
And we're gonna go let this little guy go now. And that's a great way to end it. I could not think of a better way to end it, except for finding another one. Alright, buddy. Thank you.
And he's off.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out one of my videos that pop up on either side of the subscribe thing. And man, what a great way to end off the day. And we found him literally as we were walking down this thing on our way out. And I just flipped up that one rock and literally flipped up the rock, nothing under it, flipped it back, and then there's the queen snake just coiled up right next to the rock. Like, he had to be under there, and then I lifted it and shot out. And that was just awesome. So, going home on a high note, which is great. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.